guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This wig is from Wowangel, one of my favorite companies on AliExpress. I ordered a 360 wig this time. Like, I've never ordered a 360 wig myself, but I'm so interested in cute little updos nowadays that I wanted to try it. Once again, I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. It's not sponsored. The wig I'm wearing right now is from Wowangel. I bought this wig myself. We're going to go ahead and unbox this wig, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, so let me pull up the AliExpress thingy to read the specs and all that good stuff. This is their 360 HD lace wig. So Wowangel has really bomb lace, y'all. Like, I love their lace. They're one of the few companies on AliExpress that has real HD lace. So I'm excited to see what a 360 wig is like. Like, as long as there's HD lace up here, I'm good with it being transparent in the back or something, but we'll see. So they don't have like super long lengths, so I only got 30 inches. And this is only 150% density. So it's not too thick, but I guess they're trying to make it look more natural since it's a 360 wig. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this box is pretty heavy, y'all. Oh, they have a little sticker, AliExpress store. Very cutesy. This box is pretty heavy for a freaking 150% density wig. It's kind of thick. Okay, bam. So they put little treats in here. Little beauty blender, lashes, wig cap, a little thing from their store. Elastic band, cutesy. Oh, I see why it's so heavy. So I actually ordered 2 wigs from this company at the same time. So they put them both in the box. Like, I've already shown you all their 13x6 lace. I'll show you all again in case you're interested in that. This will just be like a 2-part video. But they put both wigs I ordered from them in the same box. But I'll just start on a 360 lace frontal wig and then we'll move to the 613. Their hair is really good, y'all. Like, it's always so soft. Like, this is really beautiful hair. I'll measure it for you all to make sure it's 30 inches. It looks a little longer to me. So we'll see. I held the little measuring tape right here. So this wig is about 31, 32 inches without being stretched. The lace looks okay. Like, this is very thin, but it's not their best lace, I don't think. But I mean, it looks okay. So here is the inside of this 360 wig. I really want to do like the Pamela Anderson type thing, or like the hairstyle you've been seeing on the internet where it's like bangs over here, like a piece of hair out over here and then a bun up. So yeah, here it is. You have a lot of parting space, a lot of lace. So like on this wig, this is their 13x4. I usually get a 13x6, but it's not much like parting space here. Like, this is really short. I usually like the parting space to be like right here. So this is kind of short for me. But this is really cutesy. I think I may do highlights in this wig since I just think it might give a little more. So I want to do like a black and blonde type of highlight. I think that would be really cute in this hair. But their hair is super thick. For a 150% density, like, this is really thick, y'all. Like, don't sleep at all. So here are the ends. The ends are nice and it's thick all the way to the ends, which I love. Like, of course, this is a nice wig. No smell. I wouldn't expect any different from Wowangel. Like, they have I think they have the best hair on AliExpress. Just from my experience, they do. But since we have this 613 here, let me crack open this one. I can tell it's thicker, it's a little heavier, and this is a 34 inch. So the last Wowangel, I got a 613 from Wowangel before, and it was the one I dyed orange, and I was Daphne for Halloween. But this one I want to do blonde. So this is like more like what their HD lace is usually like. Like, this lace is so thin. So it really depends what you get. So that's why I like following my links. That's another reason why following links are really important, because like, look at this HD lace. This is actually HD lace on their 613 wig. How here, like how thin that is right there. You can barely see it, but it has like strands coming off of it like that. Like this is real HD lace on their 613 wig. So on their 360 wig, this is not HD lace, obviously, but it's from the same company. You saw me take this out of the box, the same box, right? So I love their 613. So I've only experienced like transparent lace from Wowangel with that 360. I've ordered like a normal 1B wig. It was this kind of HD. That's what this one has. And their 613 I ordered before had HD lace. So I guess just 360, they didn't want to use all of their HD lace or something. But as y'all can see, it's a difference. Their 613 is actually true HD lace. I mean, I still like it. I'm still gonna play around with that 360, probably bleach it a little bit, have fun with it. But here is the 613. Like, this is so beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. Now, it's undeniable that they have really good hair at Wowangel. Like, it looks good. It looks good. I've been wearing this hair for like a month or two already, or just a month, I think. Still good, still fabulous. Like, I love it. This hair, this is some really, really the best 613 wig. Like, look at those ends. They have the best 613 and the best normal body wave. The 360 is just that lace for me. But everything else is just really, really good. So let me tell you all the prices of these wigs. The 360 was $336. That wasn't too bad for 360. And this is a 250% density wig, 13 by 4 HD lace, 34 inches, and it was $461. Oh, time please. It was $461. So 613 wigs are usually a little more expensive, but this wig is so cute. Like, I just want to do like blonde highlights, tone this, and have like a really pretty blonde. I'm really excited to wear this. This wig is gorgeous. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. But okay, this is mainly a 360 review because y'all have already seen that video of me unboxing the first 613 wig I got from them. But this wig is really nice. Like, this is really nice. So you all, this is good. You all can see the difference between a 150% density wig and a 250% density wig. Like, there it is. Like, this is still really, really good. And this is just crazy. That's a lot of hair. Like, you love 250% density wigs until you're flat ironing it or you're like curling it. Then you're like, this is a lot of hair. So this is good. This is manageable. This is nice. Like, this is not thin at all, y'all. Like, at all. Let me separate it. Like, this is a lot of hair too. So 150% density may be good for a lot of people. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @MadamBrittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.